Tired of standing in front of your open closet, muttering the age-old phrase, "I have nothing to wear"? Well, put your phone down and open the Style Me app. This isn't just a planning tool, it's your personal AI fashion sidekick. It's ready to revolutionize your routine using the clothes you already own. First, the app needs to know your style. Head over to the My Closet tab and use the camera to snap a quick photo. The app instantly recognizes and catalogs your items, creating a visual, digital version of your real. When you need an idea, tap the sparkling stylist icon. It keeps it simple. First, ready for the unique part. The Fusion tab is your digital fitting room. You can virtually try on a top, switch out bottoms, and test different shoes before committing to a single stitch. Want to see your style come to life? Head to the Create tab.
It's perfect for seeing how a new style looks on you or sharing quick fashion videos.
Finally, keep your week sorted. The Weekly tab lets you assign an outfit by choosing items directly from your digital closet.
Download Style Me and unleash your AI stylist today.